The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 13. This is just to remind you that my next video coming out on Saturday the 4th of February at 8 AM is a visit that I took to York, where I go on one of the river cruises, and they go from King Staithes Landing down to Bishop Forbes Palace and back again. It was a really beautiful sunny day when I did that. Very cold, but I had the luxury of having the top deck of the boat all to myself, and it was a really good day out. So join me at 8 AM this coming Saturday the 4th of February 2023. So thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.